Hello there and welcome to episode 1 of explaining all the cards in Cards and Tankards. Today we will be talking about Gunhound. Gunhound is a dungeon master, which means he has your HP, so if you take damage he will too. Gunhound has an active ability where he will banish a random non-token creature from your graveyard and summon a Desperado with attack equal to its mana cost. When it says a random non-token, it means when you place a card and a copy of itself is also played, like the cautious hunting party. The copy of it is the token creature. The Desperado will also have range, so they can attack first when pushed forward, and they can also block flight creatures. But if to ranged creatures fight, they will attack at the same time. Hello there and welcome to episode 2 of explaining all the cards in Cards and Tankards. Today we will be talking about Solo Rentier Enchanted Lich. They are a dungeon master, which means he has your HP, so if you take damage he will too. Lich has an active ability where he will sacrifice a friendly creature and add soul essence to your hand. Lich is mostly played in cheap decks, which is called Lich Spam. The way to start this ability is by tapping Lich's head and then tapping a friendly creature. Soul Essence gives all friendlies +1 attack and +1 health until the beginning of your next turn with a 1 mana cost. Hello there and welcome to episode 3 of explaining all the cards in Cards and Tankards. Today we will be talking about Zarathrix, Arcanist Supreme. They are a dungeon master, which means he has your HP, so if you take damage he will too. Zarathrix doesn't have any active ability like the other DMs, but it has a passive ability where you get 1 mastery for every 5 spells in your graveyard. Also, this dungeon master starts with Mastery 1. Mastery X is limited to the Dungeon Master faction. Your first damaging spell this turn deals X amount of mastery you have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hello there and welcome to episode 4 of explaining all the cards in Cards and Tankards. Today we will be talking about Gunhound's Call. Gunhound's Call is a spell, so you place this card below your creatures to use it. What this card does is spend all your mana and summon a Desperado with attack equal to mana spent. This means you can play the card for free and get a 0 attack 1 health Desperado by using it with 0 mana. The Desperado has range, so it will attack first and be able to block flight creatures, but if to range fight they will attack at the same time. Hello there and welcome to episode 5 of explaining all the cards in Cards and Tankards. Today we will be talking about Necromancy. Necromancy is a spell, so you place this card below your creatures to use it. What this card does is summon a creature from your graveyard for half its original health. Banish it when it dies. And if it's an odd number, it will round up. If you necromancy a card that has an entrance ability, it will do the entrance ability again.